Ka kunhun menteri ka Sorkar jela ha ka khat kendai trik jelio, kala menjuri ya ka jing terwa ban Aibor ya ki deputy commissioner, bakin shim ya ki rai ha ka bayadei ba ka jing penyat ya ka roster system hala ki jong ki district. Habakren syakila pthai kubor hadin ka jingalang, u menteri ka tanat social welfare u ba polling do ulaong. Nila shim ya ka rai ban Aibor lang ha ka ba ki DC, kin shim ya ka rai halor ka roster system hala ki jong ki district. Kata kabamot halor ka jing sambha ya ki kam ki balait hai ki district level. Ki DC ki don kam shu ban wanra sya katanat personal lani sya ka Sorkar jela, na kabenta ban shim ya ka rai ka bakhatdu, bakanu ka kam ka hap ha kanu ka thup, kat kum ka baha ba prapo persen ya ki khasi jaintia bat garo, hala ki jong ki district ulaong. Kumta kanikan nyarap ban pendunai ka jing bampor ha ka jing thongkam, bat kan pun kop boru iki DC, bakin shimra halor ki kam ki balaj hala ki jong ki district, klem dadan kam shu ban pa sya ka Sorkar jela, ban rap ubak polling do.
Another matter which came up today was that the reservation rosters for district level posts. These posts where the appointing authority are the DCs, we have made it. We have decided to then decentralize the system, whereby the DCs can finalize the roster system of at their level, meaning the reservations of posts which are at the district level. I mean, they need not come up to personnel department or the state government. The finalization of which post comes under which category as per the 80% reservation for Khasi, Jaintia and Garos in the respective districts. So this will help to reduce the time gap required for clearance of appointments, and also it will empower the DCs to finalize the vacancies in the respective districts without further reference to the state government.